Looking for the best handheld steam cleaners? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 options that deliver powerful steam cleaning for all your needs, from kitchen to car and beyond. Let's dive in. Item number 5. The 2500-watt handheld steam cleaner delivers powerful high-pressure steam for efficient cleaning and sterilization. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, making it perfect for cleaning kitchen hoods, air conditioners, cars, and more. With a long power cord and steam hose, it's easy to use with one hand. The non-slip handle and adjustable steam settings ensure comfort and flexibility. Simple to operate, just add water, heat, and start cleaning. Save time, energy, and water while achieving spotless results with this versatile tool. Item number 4. The Balashov handheld steam cleaner offers powerful steam cleaning with a temperature of up to 100 degrees Celsius, effectively removing dirt and bacteria from various surfaces. With 1201 to 1400 watts of power, it's perfect for cleaning carpets, upholstery, and more. Available in both 220-volt EU plug and 110-volt US plug versions, this steam cleaner is versatile and efficient. Whether you're tackling tough stains or sanitizing your home, this high-temperature steam mop is designed to deliver exceptional cleaning results with ease and convenience. Item number 3. The Balashov handheld steam cleaner offers a powerful 2500-watt heating body, delivering high-pressure steam to effectively clean and disinfect. With a 5-speed thermostat and a large 901 ml+ capacity, it ensures long-lasting cleaning sessions of over 30 minutes. The steam cleaner kills 99.9% of bacteria, making it perfect for home, air conditioner, and high-pressure washing tasks. Featuring an anti-slip handle, a durable double-layer hose, and energy-saving operation, this versatile tool is designed for efficient, easy-to-use cleaning with minimal water and time. Item number 2. The GCJ high-pressure steam cleaner delivers 2500 watts of power and 3-bar steam pressure, ensuring effective cleaning and sterilization. With a 900 milliliters capacity and an output temperature of over 105 degrees Celsius, it kills 99.9% of bacteria on items like chopsticks, milk bottles, and nipples. The easy-to-use design features a 2.2-meter steam hose and 2.5 meters power cord for convenient one-person operation. Ideal for quick, energy-efficient cleaning, this powerful steam cleaner is perfect for tackling stains, sterilizing, and more with minimal water consumption. Item number 1. The 2500-watt handheld steam cleaner delivers powerful 229-degree Fahrenheit, 105 degrees Celsius steam with 3-bar pressure, making it ideal for tackling stubborn grease and stains. Featuring 6 adjustable speeds and 3 brush heads, it's perfect for cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, and cars. The large capacity water tank allows up to an hour of continuous use, enhancing cleaning efficiency. With its compact size, 7.4, 5.9 to 5.1 inches, and lightweight design, it's easy to store and carry, making it a practical tool for everyday cleaning tasks. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel